In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save my questionnaire in Typeform for free. Let's start by opening your browser and heading to the Typeform login page. On the sign-in screen, click Continue with Google. This uses your Google account to log in quickly and securely. Choose the Google account you want to use, and you'll be taken into your Typeform workspace. If you already have a form created, you'll see it right on your dashboard. Go ahead and click your existing Typeform to open it in the editor. Here's the key point. Typeform saves your work automatically, even on the free plan. There's no save button to hunt for. As you add questions, edit text, or change settings, your changes are stored in the background. You might notice a brief saving indicator at the top. Give it a moment if you've just made a change and want to be sure it's captured. A stable internet connection helps ensure those updates sync right away. Once you're done editing and you're confident your questionnaire is saved, it's time to prepare it for sharing. In the editor, click the Share button. This is where you access your form's publish and distribution options. You can grab a direct link if you want to share it quickly, but if you'd like to place it on a website, the embed tools make that easy. Choose the embed and a web page option. You'll see different embed styles, such as standard inline or a pop-up. Pick the one that matches how you want the form to appear on your site. Next, click View Code to open the exact HTML snippet Typeform generates for you. This code includes everything needed to load the form correctly. Now click Copy to copy that snippet to your clipboard. Head to your site's HTML editor or your CMS's code block and paste it where you want the questionnaire to appear. If your page builder supports custom HTML, drop it into that block. You can usually adjust simple settings like width and height directly in the code if you need it to fit a specific layout. And that's it. You've logged in, opened your form, let Typeform's automatic saving handle the heavy lifting for free, and prepared your questionnaire to be shared or embedded. If you make more changes later, they'll be saved automatically as well. When you're ready, return to Share to grab the link or embed code again. Thanks for watching and enjoy building and saving your Typeform without paying